Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use your spacebar as a trackpad on iPhones. If you ever worked with text input on iPhone, you may know how hard it is sometimes to hit the right spot with your fingertip where you want to insert something or you want to remove something just by moving your finger along the text. They made it quite convenient right now, but still sometimes it might be really hard to find the right spot and to select it in text. And by the way, you can also accidentally just select part of the text or just or tap at or just miss by a couple of digits or characters. So instead, you can just hold your finger down on the space bar and use it instead. And this will give you much better precision, especially since your finger doesn't stand in a way between you and text. And then in this way you can much more precisely select the right spot in text and enter whatever you wanted to enter or remove. A word, a digit, a character, or whatever. And so that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.